So what's it like to frame a steel framed house in just one day? Well, let's walk through it. Once a project has an accepted estimate, a signed contract, and a deposit, the builder or the architect or the homeowner sends us their CAD or PDF plans for the project. Our technology partner Scottsdale provides a proprietary software called ScotSteel. And over a 2-week process, those drawings inside of this software are converted into a full 3D model of the framing of the structure. The model produces run files for all framing members that it takes to complete it. The floor truss, the roof truss, the wall studs, the blocking, the stairs, everything needed to complete the framing of the structure. Those run files are then uploaded into our 3 roll forming machines. Each facility runs on 3 machines, and they are a 2x4 roll former machine, a 2x6 stud roll former machine, and a hat channel roll forming machine that produces the floor truss and the roof truss for the project. Massive coils of cold rolled light gauge steel are loaded into these machines. They're so heavy that it requires a forklift just to move it. As these coils feed through, the machines precision print every part of the home. From there, the pieces move into an assembly area, and the crews use bolts, rivets, screws to pre-assemble the wall panels anywhere from 6 to 15 feet long, sometimes up to 40 feet long. These walls have the window and the door roof openings already built in, and the roof and the floor truss are prefabricated to full span and assembled ready for the job site. With a full staff, a 2,500 square foot home can be printed in a single day. The next step is shipping. Panels and truss are organized and loaded onto trucks and sent directly to the site. There, the same 2,500 square foot home can be stood up and fully erected in just 2 days, and unlike lumber, there's almost no waste, no scrap piles left behind. In fact, the house can be framed with no dumpsters on site. Speed isn't the only advantage. Getting to a weatherproof envelope fast means that all other trades can start earlier, cutting weeks off a project. Steel framing is also straighter, stronger, and cheaper than lumber, and because it's part of the 2018 International Building Code, permitting is simple across the U.S. and abroad. Insurance carriers have taken notice too. Companies like Marsh McLennan, who are a nationwide insurer of property and casualty in homes, gives us a 20 to 40% discount compared to timber for the same home. Because the product is safer and more durable, the homeowner gets to take advantage of this savings for the life of the house. A typical facility runs lean. 14 workers, a production manager, a relationship manager who partners directly with local builders, and this is a trust-based business that they're developing, with those relationships keeping projects flowing smoothly from design to delivery. From CAD files to full-scale panels on trucks, our system is faster, more sustainable, more precise, and built from U.S. recycled steel. Every project delivers strength, savings, and speed. This is steel roll forming in action. Stronger, straighter, smarter, and built for the future.